Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm here in Glendale, California. Hold up, we have that Chevy Nova, the old school Ford. Sounds like it drinks gasoline for breakfast. Now if we ride it just seems like it's normal. Yeah, you already know, nobody's putting up quiet today. Okay, we have this top-down, clean, deep red Cadillac. This red Impala looking amazing. That blue Impala right behind it. Yeah, hitting the switches, man. They are not wasting time to start showing off. Yeah, it's gonna be one of those days. Thank you. Morning. Here we go again. We have more Cadillacs coming in. This is that big body energy right there.
Holy shit.
Man, that thing's sitting higher than gas prices right now. All right. We have more Cadillacs. Man, this Cadillac is straight up putting on show. Look at that. Front end up, blue accents popping, and pure lowrider style taking over the street. Now we slow it down a little bit. That Chevy Nova, simple, clean, and this old school, rusty Ford truck. That's history right there. Now you hear it. Yeah, that Pontiac. That thing sounds good. And this dark blue and gold Impala showing off. Looking good, man. Are you guys enjoying the video? Let me know. We have this hot rod, it's pure fire. Bright red paint glowing. That classic look. Clean and loud. We have this black Chevy just chilling like the boss, low, glossy and clean. And this red 55 Chevy is pure classic heat, bright paint, clean two-tone roof, and a slam stance sitting just right. And we have this black Camaro. It's slow and mean with that aggressive look, ready to steal the show. We have this old Ford, white walls, clean, and those red wheels are popping. That red Chevelle, yeah, that one is ready to go. Look at that old school Ford pickup, probably being around longer than most of us, still out here like nothing changed. Then we got something different. That flame painted wagon. Not your everyday build, but it works. It looks good. I like it. And this bright orange. Somebody said, I'm not trying to look like nobody else today. Look at this blue classic here, gliding like a dream. Clean lines, chrome sparkling, and dripping in old school. This light green paint looks really good on this Buick Riviera. This Chevy truck got that cool white paint simple look, sitting low and gliding down the street. Look at this Pontiac. Pull up like, yeah, I know I look good. Wait, what is that? T-Bird? Like that smooth burgundy color. Just enough shine to make every angle look good. This is the show before the show, guys. Still gotta go in there and make another video, but that's gonna be on part 2, right? I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Now look at these rows and rows of classics. It's the part where you start walking slower, acting like you really know what you're looking at. Man, they're still pulling up like they late but still about to win best in show. From Impalas to Cadillacs to Mustangs, Camaros and Chevelles. Different style, different eras, same passion, good cars, good people, and a whole lot of noise. I'm Skywalker.2020. I hope you liked the video, and yeah, I'll see you at the next one.